So GraphQL is a third API development protocol basically. Why there are multiple kind of protocols available, right? So why we are not using REST in everywhere? So there are specific advantages as well as disadvantages of each and every protocol. So we need to be very sure while deciding the protocol structure for developing of APIs basically, right? So GraphQL is a query language for APIs. It is also one of the protocol which queries the data basically. In short, right, high level पे क्या है कि it is a query language which queries the data and fetch the data which is only required, right? And this is the advantage of GraphQL. It supports both HTTP and HTTP2 protocols, right? So what is the main advantage of GraphQL? It is more efficient than REST APIs in some cases where we want the only required field data, right? Because REST APIs provides complete response. If you don't filter, then it provides complete response in the form of JSON format, right? But in GraphQL you will receive the data specifically. आपको जितना डेटा चाहिए उतना ही आप ले सकते हो with the help of query language. That's why GraphQL is more efficient in some of the cases in the REST as compared to REST APIs, right? It provides more flexible and powerful approach for fetching and manipulating data. Because of that reason only, it fetches the required data. That's why it is more powerful approach and flexible approach for data manipulation basically, right? It will be very quick. If you want specific data and you are getting that data only, then it will be very quick. The server and client communication will be very quick with the no latency, right? And it also supports the JSON format. So जो REST API रहता है वो JSON as well as XML format support करता है. SOAP API supports only XML. GraphQL supports JSON format. So what is mean by JSON? JSON का लॉन्ग फॉर्म है जावास्क्रिप्ट ऑब्जेक्ट नोटेशन. सो अभी इसको लगता हो कि यस जावास्क्रिप्ट है तो इसमें जावा तो होगा, नहीं तो फिर जावास्क्रिप्ट लैंग्वेज होगी, राइट? इट इज़ नॉट अ लैंग्वेज, इट इज़ अ डेटा फॉर्मेट. अगर आपको पाइथन में डिक्शनरी पता है, इट इज़ सिमिलर लाइक डिक्शनरी इन पाइथन. दैट्स इट. की वैल्यू पेयर में डेटा हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं. और या इट इज़ द कम्युनिकेशन डेटा फॉर्मेट. So though different kind of applications can be communicated with the help of JSON, right? So for example, what is the advantage of using JSON as a communication data format, right? Because let's say we have one application, उसका जो सर्वर है वो पाइथन में डेवलप है. We have other application, उसका जो सर्वर है वो जावा में डेवलप्ड है, right? So how to communicate Python based backend application with Java based backend application? This is a challenge, right? Because Java का syntax अलग है, Python का syntax अलग है. कैसे communication किया जाए? So what developers or technical experts have decided, we should keep one common data format which can be transferred from one application to other application. वो application कोई भी language में develop हो वो चलेगा, उसको बोलते हैं JSON. जावास्क्रिप्ट ऑब्जेक्ट नोटेशन, इट इज नथिंग बट अ की वैल्यू फॉर्म में डेटा रहता है. सो यू कैन पास द डेटा टू द डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस. कोई भी लैंग्वेज में या कोई भी दूसरा बैकएंड लैंग्वेज में अगर एप्लीकेशन है, यू कैन ट्रांसफर द डेटा वेरी इजीली बिकॉज दिस इज द कॉमन data format for the communication of two different language based applications.